guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am sharing with you my huge Dollar Tree Easter shopping haul. First up are these adorable bunny stop here yard stake signs. So they had them in two colors this year, and I'm thinking about using these on a wreath, so I'll just remove the little yard stake, but I thought these were so cute. Okay, this is my daughter's favorite, this cute little tinsel bunny with a little carrot. I like this little sign too. It says, "Follow the bunny, he has chocolate." So that's so sweet, and it has glitter on it too. And then they have these again this year, and they also have a little Easter egg and a chick, and it's plastic, and it says yard stake. And then you may have seen this one last year too, but I think it's really sweet. Okay, and also I finally found some more deco mesh, and I also found some in pink. Let me see. So I was able to find 4 colors yesterday, and this is the 6-inch deco mesh. And then this is something I haven't seen before. Y'all may have seen them, I don't know, but I love these large eggs. So I can't wait to do a wreath with these. And I believe they have them in blue too. And then they have the speckled eggs back this year that come in a 6-pack, very lightweight. And then here's the glitter base filler. And I love these little carrots. Aren't those sweet? They're wrapped with twine. And I picked up some more ribbon, and there's 3 yards on each roll. And I went to a new Dollar Tree yesterday, so it was a lot larger than the ones I usually shop at. So I was able to finally find some yarn. And so I picked up the yarn in 2 different colors. I believe I also have gray. And then I picked up several floral picks. So I thought they were all so pretty. So I kind of went crazy over floral picks this time. Now these were in the regular floral section. Oh, they're getting tangled up. But these with the glitter right here were in the Easter section. And I finally found a cute little Happy Easter pink truck sign. This was the only one I could find, but I think it also comes in blue. Then here's a fun little Easter bunny. And last year I made my first splatter screen wreath using this cute little bunny right here. Ooh, and I had to get something sweet too. Have y'all ever tried these Tootsie Roll eggs? It says they are candy coated egg-shaped Tootsie Rolls, so I had to try them. Okay, let's see what else. And I found this sweet little sign that says Happy Easter, and it has the little glitter eggs with it, and so I thought these would be cute to separate them and add the eggs on a wreath. So that's really fun. And then I got several packages of the foam egg picks. So they have a couple different sizes this year, and if you don't like the wood stake on it, you can always pull it out or cut it off and just hot glue the eggs onto your wreath or whatever you're working on. And then I also got them that you can hang on a little Easter tree or wherever you want. So I picked up some of these. Oh, and there's a picture of how it looks on a little tree. So we may have to do that this year. And then here's the other large egg that I was telling you about. So I did get one in blue. Sorry, things are not in any particular order. We just kind of grabbed it out of the bags. And then here's some more ribbon. This is kind of a burlap, and it says Happy Easter. And then I picked up some more of these little burlap bunny pics. And then these are the lightweight foam ones, and they also come in blue. And here's some more flowers. These right here, I couldn't find any tulips, but these are crocus, and so I think they'll make a pretty wreath too. So let me know if your Dollar Tree has tulips in or not, because I'd love to find some tulips, but for now these will work. But I thought they really had some beautiful flowers in. I thought these reminded me of petunias. So I picked up lots of flowers, guys. And then picked up this one too, and these are in the Easter section, and they also have these with the large foam eggs and some grass, tall grass. So I didn't pick up any of those, but I kind of wish I would have now. Okay, so give me just a second and we'll get some more stuff out. And I found some Happy Easter garland, and they had these in 2 different colors. And some more ribbon. So they have some really pretty ribbon this year for Easter. And then aren't these cute? And there's 3 of them. So I already have a wreath planned with these cuties. And they just have the little tinsel on them. And then this is not Easter related, but my daughter, she picked up this. It's a little photo hanger line, and she has, for Christmas, she got a little Polaroid instant camera, and so this way she can hang this across her room or her dresser, and she can use these little clothespins to attach her little Polaroid pictures, and they had lots of these. And then I picked up a package of these. So like if your hands are having trouble holding the ribbon when you're tying a bow, instead of using a clothespin or a chip clip, you might want to pick up some of these craft clamps. Now, I'm sure there's lots of other uses for these, and y'all can let me know in the comment section what you use these for. But my daughter found these, and I thought, well, I'm going to get some because my hands are kind of small, so sometimes I need something to help me. So I picked up these. And I also picked up some new scissors. These are floral scissors because I'm always cutting ribbon with wire and my scissors get dull really fast. So I thought I would try these. And then this is, yesterday we went to, the Dollar Tree was just huge. So they had a little bit of everything, and their crafts section was so nice. And I found this, I can't think what it's called, X-Acto knife, and it has extra blades in it. So I picked up one of those. And I also picked up some paint brushes and some wooden craft dowels. And then one of my favorite finds of yesterday were these pearls. And they had these also in the 12mm. These are the 14mm. And then someone suggested that I needed to pick up one of these glue and residue erasers from Dollar Tree to remove price tags that are stuck on signs. So I'm going to try this out this week. And then here's probably my favorite find of my trip is this beautiful cross, and you can set this on a shelf if you want or add it to a wreath, and it says bless this nest. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button on the right side right below the video, and if you want notifications, just click the bell. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share, and let me know what your favorite item of my shopping haul was today. Thank you guys.